Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make cinematic video using CapCut. So if you want to make your videos look cinematics, here I'm going to show you the tricks and also the editing using CapCut mobile. You can also do it on PC. Now you can just open your videos in CapCut. So this is the video that I want to edit. Now click on the video and find adjust. This one. And you can follow the steps. So for the brightness and contrast, you can lower it to -5 like this. And then saturation 10, sharpen 20, and the highlights you can lower it to -6 and set the temperature to 4 and the hue -8, and click on grain and add some grain effects to around 20 like this. Hit on a check icon. Now head to filters and find the Bad Bunny filter. This one. And you can adjust it to how you prefer. I'm going to go with 70. Hit on a check icon, and lastly go to effects, video effects, and in here you can search for the soft video effect. This one. Here, adjust the soft light effects to around 10 like this, and don't forget to also adjust the duration so it matches with your video duration. So I hope this simple color grading will be helpful for you, so you can apply it to your next edits. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial.